It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday night. Happy December 1st. Welcome to my Bath and Body Works Candle Day premiere. I'm so excited, you guys. Hopefully, if YouTube uploaded this video correctly, we are watching it together as a premiere at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is now currently 6:30, which is when I'm filming it. But hopefully now we're all chatting together about Candle Day. Hopefully we're all sitting in the queue waiting to get on. So I am going to load my cart as soon as I'm done here, and we'll all kind of have a little chat about how everything's going in the queue. Are we able to get on? Are we waiting a long period of time? And then we can all chat about how many minutes it's taking us to get through. If you've never been in an online queue before, Bath and Body Works actually has a couple of suggestions. They had it on, do they have it on here? I think it was on Instagram. They had a couple of, it starts tomorrow. $9.95 is the price for Candle Day. If you're an Apps Reward member, you're in here with me ordering candles, and they've got Candle Day waiting room tips. So basically, we're all going to be in a waiting room. It says, can I lose my place in line? If cookies are enabled, you'll keep your place in line. If you return to the line before it's your turn, you have to return in like 10 minutes, so keep an eye on the clock. I would just stay by your computer, honestly. I just wouldn't go anywhere. So right now, I'm going to talk about my 12 must-have candles for Candle Day among the new candles. This doesn't include any of the Christmas candles. I was in the store today, as many of you know. I smelled a lot of them that I don't currently have. And then I have a lot of them that Bath and Body Works sent me. So I put together a nice little collection here of 12 candles that are everything from fruity to floral to Christmas that I think make a nice, well-rounded selection. So if you were to buy 12 candles, it's going to cost you $120 approximately, give or take a couple of cents change, and then you're going to pay shipping unless we get free shipping tonight. What I want to talk about is actually what I'm burning right now. I'm probably going to do a little bit more of an extensive review tomorrow on French Baguette, but look how beautiful it looks all lit up. This one smells like bread. It is back. I had this candle a while ago. It took me a while to kind of get used to this one, but now that I am smelling it again, I love it. I actually just got the single wick today. It is slow rising dough, crispy crust, and a pat of butter. I don't get a lot of butter in this though. Honestly, I get more of a bread smell. I mean, you can smell the bread full on. It doesn't smell wonderful cold, but once you get it burning, it smells just like freshly baked bread. It is fabulous. So I definitely highly recommend, if you like any type of bread candle, it's not sweet, it's just bread, you pick up French Baguette. This is going to be one that might sell out quickly. Next up, we have Wine Cellar. This was the Wine Cellar from last year. I went through one of these and then I got one just to have. This is mulled apples, fresh fig, and cedarwood. It is a very strong mulled fruit scent with the cedarwood mixed in. It's wonderful. A lot of people seek out the Wine Cellar. This was only $26.50 last year. Look at this beautiful glass jar I got. I wish they had these back this year. I'm kind of wondering if we're going to get some more surprises. Like I said earlier, we will have after Candle Day candles as we roll into semi-annual sales. So if you don't see what you like now, there's more coming. Unicorn Sprinkles. This is Unicorn Sprinkles. A lot of people are going to be after this one just because it's delightful. A lot of people probably never heard of it. They're going to see it and go, oh my gosh, it's a Unicorn Sprinkles candle. This one is fluffy cotton candy, rainbow candy drops, and sugared lemon. I swear it smells better than it did a couple years ago. It smells like lemon cotton candy. Straight on, it's sugary, it's lemon, it smells amazing. Although I do like a little better, I'm going to put a screenshot up. I smelled this one in the store today. This is like the number one candle I want to get like right now online. I'm like, I got to get this one. Is the sugared lemonade and blueberry sugar mashup. Now I have blueberry sugar back here. Check it out. I love blueberry sugar. Blueberry sugar is one of my favorites. The mashup is actually, let me get to the mashup here. I should be more organized, you guys. Ocean Driftwood and White Gardenia, by the way, was a no for me. I smelled that one in the store. You know me, I don't like White Gardenia. Sugared lemonade and blueberry sugar is sweet blueberries, fresh lemon juice, and sugar crystals. So it's basically, I think, like blueberry sugar and then sugar lemons like mixed in, but it smells so good, you guys. That is definitely one on my Hot 12 list. The other mashup, I'm going to put another screenshot up, that I highly recommend, that I really was surprised about, because Waikiki Beach Coconut is definitely like a spring scent. It's vanilla, fresh coconut cream, a dash of nutmeg, and cinnamon stick. It is so good. I don't know, cinnamon and coconut, whoever thought of that was a genius. The wax is beautiful. The blueberry sugar and lemonade one is blue. This one is like a pink, hot orange type of wax. It's so good. I'm like, these two are definitely like in my cart, wanting to get those two. Next up. I don't know why, but I'm really hot on peach Bellini this year, which surprises me. It is succulent white peach, sparkling prosecco, and sweet orange. I think I like peach now, you guys. I don't like snowy peachberry. I never have. That one's weird to me. But this one is like a peach and orange. It's sweet. It's juicy. And the jar is absolutely beautiful on this one. I like these constellation jars. They're so pretty. Also in this jar, that's on my top 12, get Black Cherry Merlot. Black Cherry Merlot smells amazing. I love the purple jar. It is so pretty. I saw it in the store today and I was like, whoa, that is a nice jar. I just loved it. I'm like, yes. It's dark cherry, black raspberry, and succulent Merlot. We have not seen a ton of cherry this year, and it is a total winner. You got to get Black Cherry Merlot. In the wrapping paper candles, this one, did anyone get in line yet, by the way? Has anyone gotten their order through? I'm hoping everyone did, because like I said, this is running, you know, we're at about, what, like 8:10? I'm hoping we all got in. It's so weird doing these time travel videos. Vanilla Balsam, this is a favorite of mine. I think I like this better than any of the balsams. This is balsam fir, frosted vanilla, and snow-capped pine needles. I could smell this one all day. And the jar is so pretty. The cranberry pear Bellini jar is beautiful in the blue. I'm not a fan of cranberry pear Bellini, though. I don't know why. I just don't like the scent very much. That's not like one of my number ones at all. Fresh cut lilacs. I highly recommend you pick up a fresh cut lilac. It smells just like spring. I like the jar this year. It's pretty. Purple wax. And you know I'm not a huge floral girl, but when you smell those fresh cut lilacs, you're like, yes, this smells like spring. So I usually start smelling that once the snow's starting to get to me. Let's see, what else do I have? Okay, those are the four that I don't currently have. Next up for my recommendation is You're the One. I've never smelled this candle before, honestly. And white birch, velvety rose, and a drop of strawberry nectar. It is like so strong. If you like You're the One, I highly recommend getting this candle. I've heard it's fabulous burning. And like I said, I'm not a floral girl. It does smell really good though. Sometimes I don't think that like the perfumes roll over all the time. It's funny. Into the Night isn't like my favorite candle. I think it's too pungent as a candle. This actually smells really good. This would make a great Valentine's Day candle, and we all know it's around the corner. I would get this candle now for the $9.95. And then the final candle on my 12 is the cinnamon spiced vanilla and hot cocoa and cream. Did I do 12? I did 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I got one more. I'm like, where's my 12? I'm all confused, you guys. This is so much fun. Okay. Cinnamon spice vanilla, hot cocoa, and cream. This one is decadent milk chocolate, ground cinnamon, and vanilla bean. I like it because you get a little bit of the hot chocolate, but not like really strong. And then you get like a cinnamon and vanilla. I think a lot of people are going to like this one. It's more cinnamon vanilla than chocolate though, just to let you know. I like the lid too. So that's a good one. And then finally, Tipsy Elf. I just reviewed Tipsy Elf. I think it is a version of Holiday Cheer. It's funny because earlier today I had brought up the brown sugar latte one, and I'm like, is there a touch of latte in Tipsy Elf? I almost feel like there could be like a touch of latte. I don't even know why. But like if you compare these two, oops, that's butter rum eggnog. I'm like, that doesn't smell like Holiday Cheer. If you compare these two cold, I don't think they smell the same, honestly. It is not a repackage, like I said earlier, of Holiday Cheer, but yet it is. It's like a Bizarro World, taking a line from Seinfeld. Sometimes I get more Holiday Cheer, and then other times like, no, I don't know if it is Holiday Cheer. I need your help, you guys. Is it Holiday Cheer or not? If anyone has one, let me know, because I need help on that one. I'm really loving this French baguette right now, by the way. This is smelling amazing. So, it is approximately maybe like 8:15, I'm guessing. I'm hoping all of us are now in, and I got my order. I feel like Back to the Future. This has been so much fun. Just chatting. I love doing the premieres because then I can type and talk to you guys. But I actually think this is a pretty darn good candle day. I know a lot of people are kind of going back and forth. They weren't sure if they, like the selection or not, but trust me, there's more out there than you realize. I actually, going into the store today, I was pretty darn impressed with the selection. These wrapping paper candles are so pretty. I actually want the entire set. I want the Perfect Christmas. I want Merry Cookie. So those are definitely on my list. I actually have my wish list here. Red Velvet Cupcake I've got coming. I want to get Merry Mistletoe. Those are the ones that really just released that are usually Candle Day candles that look like this, the Pink Fairy Gumdrop and stuff. Like I said, Red Velvet Cupcake is always a Candle Day candle. It's weird that they kind of release those early, but there's a lot of candles out there. So what I'm going to do then is I think I'm going to try and start reviewing more tomorrow. And I don't know if I'm going to get into the store tomorrow. I think I'm going to try and do Saturday and hope the second day isn't as crowded. Because like I said, as many of you know, my husband just had a stem cell transplant. And we're trying to not be super germy. And I'm a little bit worried about going into the store. So the majority of my shopping is going to be done online. And then, of course, Bath & Body Works did send me the 12 candles to preview, which I'm so thankful for, because I got a head start on Candle Day. But I'm excited, you guys. Oh, I did ask about the blankets today when I was in the store. No sign of blankets yet. I don't know what's going on with the blankets. So anyway, I will see you guys soon. This was fun. Bye-bye.